Hi everyone. In this session, let's see how to run Python and JavaScript program in LMS. First of all, go to LMS IDE menu in the home page. This is the updated version of LMS IDE where you can see Python, JavaScript and HTML here. In case of Python, you can see a default code here which is a reference if there is any arguments used in the program. This code is commented. You can start typing the code here or remove the entire code and restart from the beginning. Click on the button run and see the output here. If you want to try another program, click on the clear button and again type your code here. Now, in case of JavaScript, click on the JS button here and try your code inside the script tag. Now, for HTML CSS programs, try this and type your code and click on the run HTML button. That's all. Thank you.